not even touching. I wish it looked like that all the time. That looks dope.
Dancing on the
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. Come on, give me something.
What's up, guys? I should really be working on my cars, prepping it for driven this weekend, but I just felt like skating. Actually, I test fitted 2-inch spacers for the rears. Check that out. From the back, the wheels actually flush with the kit now. Oh, it looks so much better. Not gonna lie, guys, this thing is pretty dirty. Neglect. But really, I just want to make sure that this thing is roadworthy for a 3-hour drive after putting the kit on, because I haven't really secured anything. Streethunter guys, when they created this, I don't know what the idea was for the bottom of this, but right now it's pretty loose. And like same with here. And this is what I was talking about. Look, it's so flimsy. Like I think this is supposed to line up with this part, but we're gonna have to make some sort of custom bracket for it. But before we get to any of that, let's skate. Oh, fuck it. Asshole. Backside 180 heels are probably one of my most favorite tricks. They're tough, so let's try to get one clean. So close, guys. Alright, we're heading to the airport right now to pick up my friend John, who just flew in from Toronto. You actually know him from this channel from the time I spent 3 days and 2 nights at the Toronto Pearson Airport. Okay, see you guys at the garage. I mean, airport. See that ring on the road? That piece of art was worth $3 million. John says number 5. What's up? What's up?
What's up? Yeah, man. Yes, sir. What up, dude? How you doing?
Not bad.
The other John.
The other John. Okay, that makes things easy. Yeah, so basically the plan is just go to our house, recuperate a little bit if you guys want to go grab something to eat, but my plan is to just prep, get ready for tomorrow's show. So yeah, long time no see, John. Oh my gosh. Sweet. And John too. Sweet. All right, testing. We're gonna go grab some brunch at Wow Chicken, some chicken and beer. Guys, so I was prepping the XB, putting all the booth and merch stuff inside, and this just happened. So I just broke a mirror on Friday the 13th. But since I don't believe in that superstition, cheers to 14 years of the most amazing luck. That's why I changed to my unlucky shirt. But now we don't have a mirror for our booth. Oh guys, it's a hot one. Actually, it's supposed to be plus 35 this weekend. But again, no complaints from me. This is actually really nice, and I'm basking in this natural vitamin D. Well, first, let's see if we have space in this garage. Sometimes we don't. I'm just gonna be prepping my cars. The Supra, you don't really need to do an oil change on that, but the XB and the Toyota for sure. Say what up, yo.
I'm camera shy, man.
Hi. Hi, Sam. What up, Dougie?
John, nice to meet you. Sonny, nice to meet you.
John. Little John. Yo,
What's your name?
this is Takara style. The photographer, yeah. Takara. Smells like chicken. Ah, that explains. Yo, is the oil here?
Yeah.
Should we pick it up? Oh, is it? Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, of course.
I got this guy to get me some oil, but his brother actually works at Lordco, which actually I didn't know existed in Calgary. So, yeah, appreciate it.
What the fuck? Get the fuck up, man.
Suck hoops. Freaking sick helmet. What? That's sick. Gonna have fun in this thing. Woo! You can tell he rides a bike. He doesn't give a fuck. All right, my guys. These are also dirty, but we got all the Toyotas in one spot, but they're not spotless. This is weeks of neglect right here. Look at that. So bad. Definitely underneath the Thule box. I haven't washed this in ages. Plus, this isn't really an easy spot to get to, okay? It's this that I really shouldn't be neglecting as much as I do. Leaving it outside, not parking it inside the garage. Just letting dust collect. This is so bad. But we're gonna see if my friend John, one of the Johns, can help us prettier up, buff it for us, polish it. We're just gonna wash all three down.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same.
Sweet, guys. All the cars are clean and shiny and ready for show. And I'm pretty satisfied, so I'm just gonna end this video right here. Just kidding, we're not gonna end the video. I still have to do my oil changes, but all the cars are super shiny. So part of my plan today also was to address everything wrong with the Streethunter kit. Yes, I said wrong. I mean, they did really good in terms of fitment and stuff, and it looks beautiful. It's a really beautifully well put together kit, but there are some areas that just need extra support that I think the fellas at Street Fighter LA just overlooked. Like over here in the front section, it's kind of loose. Maybe I just have to tighten it up, but this should be lined up. So the plan is I might just create some sort of extra bar or something that'll attach both of these together. That'll push this front fender piece. It's just very loose. Also, this sometimes just pops out like that. So you gotta put in the screw. And actually, if you look under here, this is like touching the ground. So I do have an idea, which I'm gonna use aluminum bar for, and then just attach both sides together. See, the idea is to make this flush with each other. Hey guys, let me show you the spoiler. Nothing wrong with the spoiler itself, but The bolts that these guys give you rust so easily. Rust the first day, dude. Keep going, keep going. Oh my god, bruh. I mean, it's lifted, but
The door's not opening. Can you get the jug?
Yo, dude, how's it going here? Yeah. Wait, hold up. I've never actually done it on this car, bro. I'm gonna just bring Supra in and start reinforcing pieces.
W20 for this?
Yes, yeah.
It says 5W30.
Okay, good thing we have that. I think the FRS is okay. Man, these guys over there looking at us, judging us. This goes out to all my Filipinos. Gotta hook it up. Why no Bluetooth working? Alright, so I'm getting my buddy John over here to help me try and see if we can get the carbon to shine back on this hazy area of the front lip. Look at that. It's already faded. We've barely even driven this thing. We don't actually have to do an oil change on the FRS because it's still good. Still a little over half. And then I filled in the HKS oil over here. Because that was almost at like 20%, whereas it should be at least 3/4 of this little canister. Luckily I had some left over. And then, I don't know, I'm just gonna clean the engine bay, make sure all the body kit pieces are properly on, and then possibly address the gasket here, because some areas are starting to lift up. I've had this rubber liner on the kit for almost a year and a half now, so that's natural for it to happen. Especially in like high stress corners like this. Pro tip, I'm just gonna take the kit off and use super glue to attach it back on.
그대가 내게 다가온다면 내게 말해줘 영원히 함께라고.
This is what we're gonna use to create our brackets. Just a thin piece of aluminum. So the idea is to make a little support brace. Like if you look here at eye level, you'll see that the back part, I don't know why, but it's morphed enough that it sits lower. So we gotta make sure that that stays like that. And that's actually worse on the other side. Look at that. We'll see how we can make that work. Okay, show you guys my temporary fix. At least this part's aligned now. And then sadly, on this side, Simon's nutserts actually popped off because some areas are made out of plastic, like the side skirts, the front bumper. So you gotta really be careful about these things not attaching properly. Metal to metal, it's a lot easier for it to clamp onto, but when it comes to plastic, like you can actually squeeze the plastic enough for this to go through completely. So I JB welded some of the nutserts that did pop off, and hopefully that works. Everything else is okay. The fender liner over here, I heated the F out of it, and then I bent it behind the Streethunter kit. Felt kind of messy, but again, temporary. When we come back from the show, we'll probably fix that up, finesse it, and make it look a lot cleaner. Since we're gonna have to wait for the outer barrels to be made, we're running spacers. We shouldn't really even be showing you this, But for the rear, it's so much better of a fitment because we're running a 50 mil spacer. A lot more flush, but if I hit a big bump, this is exactly what's gonna happen. It'll tuck right behind the kit itself. So this is actually safe. Like, it's not even touching. If it was a really, really bad bump, it'd probably hit up here somewhere. I wish it looked like that all the time. That looks dope. Oh, and Gutu's here now. Right, homies, let's make this official. With a KMR banner. It's just, these ones are a little small. I don't know whether to put it on the bottom there in the middle or the top. Gangsta. Yes?
Yes. It fit?
Yeah, on this, it fits perfectly. Just don't know. Maybe.
This car has no gas.
0. Yeah, time to fill up.
Yes, sir.
Sweet. Actually, it's just a really smart idea to just fill up now so we don't have to rush in the morning. Plus, I'll probably grab all our refreshments, waters and snacks for the booth.
Is that a wrap?
Oh, this? Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, it's
Nice.
just a gold wrap.
Who did that?
Just me.
Yeah?
Believe it or not, yeah.
Sick.
Thanks,
Well,
man.
That
Appreciate
looks
that.
fucking gnarly.
Straight out of Dubai or something.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
You do a lot of wraps or no?
We do actually. We just opened up a shop here, like on Edmonton Trail.
Yeah, what do you call
Actually,
it?
here, I have a card, man.
Yeah, I do PDR. I'm a technician, so I
Thank you for your help.
I fix on all these cars and like I see such sick shit. This is gnarly.
Oh, appreciate it.
Little plethora of sick cars.
Good, homie.
Why does this keep clicking?
Oh yeah, no, that thing's weird, man. You gotta like, if it stops randomly, you have to make
Like,
sure you
pull it back over,
Yeah,
right?
it's so weird.
Yeah, it was like.
Damn. Another Scion. Smart idea to fill up gas today so we don't have to rush in the morning. All 3 of these cars are actually low. Plus, yeah, I think Gutu's just gonna head home, get some rest. We're gonna head home after this too and just also get some rest. Probably just DoorDash food and relax for the rest of the night because tomorrow it's an early one.
Same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something's